What's up, guys? Ready to take your drilling to the next level? Meet the electric magnetic drill press, a true game changer for builders, metalworkers, and DIY pros. With its 1,400 watts high-torque motor and super strong magnetic base, it delivers unbeatable stability and precision. Built from titanium-magnesium alloy, it's lightweight yet ultra-durable. Whether you're working on steel, construction, or home projects, this drill gives you smooth, accurate holes every time. Smart design, solid power, and pro-level results. Your perfect drilling partner is here. So, let's get started. Number 6. 1,400 watt electric magnetic drill press. Power that works smarter. Looking for a drill that combines raw power with precision? The 1,400W electric magnetic drill press is your ultimate solution. Built with a titanium-magnesium alloy body, it's tough, durable, and designed to deliver professional-grade performance for every drilling job. Key highlights in this drill press. Unstoppable power. Driven by a 1,400W copper motor, this drill cuts through the hardest materials at 810 RPM, with a max boring diameter of 40 mm and depth of 50 mm. Perfect for metal and construction work. Rock-solid stability. Its 13,000 N magnetic base keeps the drill firmly anchored to any iron or steel surface, ensuring smooth, precise holes every time. Built for safety and durability. Features an overload protection system and advanced cooling for heat control and longer life. The corrosion-resistant alloy frame adds extra strength. User-friendly design, with a built-in measurement scale, ergonomic handle, and 3 extended cranks. Even beginners can drill clean, accurate holes with ease. From home improvement to heavy-duty industry, this magnetic drill press is built to perform, last, and impress. Upgrade your toolkit today and drill smarter, not harder. The next is Number 5. The industrial-grade magnetic seat drill electromagnetic drill. In demanding industrial environments, the industrial-grade magnetic seat drill electromagnetic drill stands out as a powerhouse of precision and versatility. Designed for heavy-duty applications, this tool combines cutting-edge technology with user-centric features to deliver unmatched performance. Stepless and reversible control. Seamlessly adjust drilling speed with the intuitive stepless control knob, eliminating fixed speed limitations. Whether tackling delicate tasks or robust materials, maintain optimal RPM. The reversible direction switch enhances flexibility, enabling effortless tapping, thread cleaning, or extracting stuck drill bits, saving time and effort. Efficient cooling system. Heat management is critical in prolonged operations. Equipped with a 16.9 FLOS coolant tank, this drill ensures continuous lubrication and cooling, reducing friction and wear. This system not only maintains accuracy, but also extends the tool's lifespan, minimizing downtime and maintenance costs. Tackle most surfaces with ease. The electromagnetic base provides a rock-steady grip on ferrous surfaces, even vertically or overhead. Ideal for shipbuilding, bridge construction, steel fabrication, windmill installations, railway projects, and more, this drill excels in diverse settings. Its adaptability makes it indispensable for professionals requiring reliability on complex job sites. 220 volts bench driller. Built for industrial demands, the 220 volts motor delivers consistent power, ensuring smooth operation in high-intensity environments. Its robust design guarantees durability, while the compact bench configuration enhances stability for precision drilling. The next is Number 4. GUEXTOOL Small Electric Magnetic Drill. Powerful and precise drilling. This electric magnetic drill is a high-performance drilling machine designed for precision and efficiency in industrial applications. This compact yet powerful tool is equipped with advanced features, making it an ideal choice for metalworking and construction professionals. Key features. Brushless motor ensures durability, reduced maintenance, and efficient power delivery. Power source operates on AC power, providing stable and reliable performance. Drill type. Magnetic drill designed for strong adhesion to metal surfaces. Rated power, available in 1,000 watts and 1,350 watts variants for different drilling needs. Idle speed, 0 to 700 RPM 1000 watts model, and 0 to 600 RPM 1350 watts model, allowing for controlled drilling speeds. Magnetic seat size 18 by 9x 3.5 centimeters, ensuring a stable working position. Maximum drilling capacity supports drilling up to 13 millimeters, 1000 watts, and 16 millimeters, 1350 watts. Magnetic seat suction force 11,000 and 1,000 watts, and 11,500 and 1,350 watts, providing exceptional grip. Machine travel 120 millimeters for smooth vertical movement. Adjustable travel extends up to 220 millimeters for enhanced flexibility. Rated frequency 50 to 60 Hz, ensuring compatibility with standard electrical systems. This GUEXTOOL magnetic drill is an excellent choice for professionals requiring a compact, powerful, and highly secure drilling solution. Its strong magnetic base, adjustable travel, and brushless motor enhance its usability, making it a valuable tool for precision drilling in industrial settings. The next is Number 3. AOCKE AX35H Electric Magnetic Drill. Precision redefined for industrial mastery. In the realm of heavy-duty drilling, the AOCKE Electric Magnetic Drill emerges as a game-changer, blending industrial-grade power with unmatched versatility. Engineered for professionals who demand precision and durability, this floor drill redefines efficiency across demanding applications. Robust design and advanced capabilities. The AOCKE AX35H boasts a rugged construction tailored for relentless industrial use. Its advanced magnetic drilling system ensures stability on ferrous surfaces, whether vertical, horizontal, or overhead. 220 volts portable powerhouse. Designed for mobility, this 220 volts portable electric drill delivers consistent, high-performance output on the go. Compatible with industrial work sites, it thrives in environments like steel fabrication, bridge construction, and equipment installation, offering reliable power without fixed workstation constraints. Industrial-grade precision. Built to endure heavy-duty tasks, the AX35H's industrial-grade components ensure longevity. Its precision-engineered motor and hardened gears tackle thick metals effortlessly, while the intuitive speed control adapts to materials ranging from steel to alloy, maintaining clean, accurate holes every time. Versatile floor drill functionality. As a dual-purpose floor drill, the AX35H excels in drilling, reaming, and tapping. Its adaptive design supports diverse materials, making it ideal for workshops, construction sites, and manufacturing plants. Maximize productivity. Engineered for speed and simplicity, the AX35H streamlines workflows with quick setup and minimal downtime. Features like tool-free bit changes and ergonomic handles enhance user comfort, while safety mechanisms, including overload protection, ensure secure operation. The next is Number 2. HiMISS Magnetic Drill Press. Power meets portability for every project. This magnetic drill press redefines modern drilling with its fusion of industrial-grade strength and user-friendly design. Whether you're a professional tackling heavy-duty jobs or a DIY enthusiast perfecting home projects, this tool delivers precision, power, and portability in one compact package. Versatile drilling solution. From steel fabrication in industrial settings to crafting custom furniture at home, the HiMISS magnetic drill press adapts effortlessly. Its electromagnetic base secures firmly to ferrous surfaces, enabling vertical, horizontal, or overhead drilling, ideal for workshops, construction sites, or DIY spaces. Powerful performance. Equipped with a 1,400 watts motor and 810 RPM, this mag drill press slices through tough materials like steel, iron, and alloy with ease. The 2-inch boring diameter and included 6 high-speed steel drill bits ensure clean, precise holes every time, even in the most demanding applications. Portable and convenient. Weighing in as a lightweight champion, this drill's 40 dual-track magnetic base enhances stability without bulk. Its compact design allows easy transport between job sites, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfortable handling during extended use. Maximize productivity. Engineered for efficiency, the drill's 40 dual-track system ensures rapid positioning, while the variable speed control optimizes performance across materials. Specifications at a glance. 110 volts power, compatible with standard outlets, perfect for workshops or on-site use. 1,400 watts motor, delivers relentless power for heavy-duty tasks. 6 drill bits, pre-sharpened and durable for immediate use. The next is Number 1. VEVOR Magnetic Drill, power and precision for heavy-duty metalworking. The VEVOR Magnetic Drill is a game-changer for professionals in metalworking, construction, and fabrication. Combining a robust 1,450 watts motor with a magnetic force of 12,500 and 2,810 lbf, this portable mag drill delivers unmatched stability and power for precision drilling on vertical or horizontal surfaces. Power meets precision. Designed for heavy-duty tasks, the drill's 1,450 watts motor ensures efficient performance even in demanding environments. Its stepless variable speed, up to 850 RPM, allows seamless adjustments, optimizing drilling for materials like steel, iron, or alloy. Versatile drilling capabilities. The VEVOR magnetic drill supports both coring and twist drills, offering flexibility. With a max coring diameter of 1.57, 40 mm, and depth of 2, 50 mm, it handles large holes effortlessly. For twist drills, it achieves a 0.63, 16 mm diameter and impressive 3.9, 100 mm depth. The 8.66, 220 mm travel distance ensures extended reach in confined spaces. Portable and durable. Weighing just 27.5 pounds, this mag drill is engineered for portability without compromising durability. It includes 6/11 coring bits, reducing downtime for bit changes. The rugged construction guarantees longevity, even in harsh conditions. Ideal for professionals. Whether installing steel beams, creating machinery, or performing maintenance, the VEVOR magnetic drill enhances efficiency and accuracy. Its blend of power, adaptability, and portability makes it indispensable for workshops or on-site projects. The VEVOR magnetic drill redefines metal drilling with its robust design, precision engineering, and user-centric features, perfect for professionals seeking reliability and performance. So this is the best option for you to buy.